Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Canon EOS Rebel is probably one of the most iconic and accessible DSLR cameras for aspiring photographers and content creators, offering a fantastic blend of image quality, user-friendly features, and affordability that has made it a staple in the entry-level market for years, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to step up their photography game from smartphone limitations. Number 5. Movo VXR10 Universal Shotgun Mic. This microphone works with virtually any device you own, including your smartphone, camera, or laptop. It's your new essential audio tool for both phones and cameras. Constructed with a solid aluminum body, it's built to withstand travel. The integrated mount effectively absorbs shocks, ensuring clean audio without needing extra accessories. Elevate your social media content, whether you're vlogging or interviewing. This compact microphone ensures your voice is heard clearly, making your content shine on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Everything you need is included right out of the box. With windscreens, cables, and shock mounts, you can simply unbox, connect, and start recording. This directional microphone is designed to capture sound from the front while minimizing background noise. It's perfect for podcasts, vlogging, and recording on the go, ensuring your voice is the focus. Join over 100,000 creators who have enhanced their audio quality affordably. This microphone makes your voice clear and your content stand out, as designed in Los Angeles. What we like. This external microphone offers incredible versatility, working with almost any device you own. Its solid build ensures it can handle travel, and its directional pickup minimizes background noise. If you're looking to significantly upgrade your audio for vlogging, interviews, or social media content without hassle, this is your go-to. What people say. The Canon EOS Rebel DSLR camera is a fantastic choice for beginners due to its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls, making it easy to learn and operate. This camera boasts an impressive 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, delivering stunningly sharp and detailed images, perfect for capturing life's moments with clarity. With its advanced autofocus system, the EOS Rebel ensures that your subjects are always in sharp focus, even when they are moving, making it ideal for action shots and portraits. Number 4. Altura Photo 58mm HD Wide-Angle Lens. Instantly expand your field of view for breathtaking wide-angle photography. This accessory easily screws onto the front of your existing lens. It also features a detachable macro lens. This allows for extremely high-resolution close-ups of even the smallest objects. This lens attachment is compatible with popular 58mm lens models from various brands like Canon, Nikon, Olympus, and Fujifilm. It's designed to work with a wide range of Canon EOS Rebel and other camera models when paired with a 58mm thread size lens. Please verify your camera's lens thread size before ordering, as this wide-angle attachment is compatible with 58mm lenses only. The lens thread size is usually marked with a O symbol followed by the measurement, for example, 0.58 for 58mm. What we like. Instantly achieve breathtaking wide-angle shots and capture intricate details with its detachable macro lens. This accessory easily attaches to your existing 58mm lens. If you're aiming for more dramatic landscapes or detailed close-ups and already have a compatible lens, this is a fantastic way to expand your creative possibilities. What people say. It's heavy. And I mean that in a good way. It's absolutely solid. Metal housing, quality glass on both the macro and wide-angle lenses, and a secure fit where they are threaded to each other, to the step-up ring, and to the camera. It comes with little extras that I had not been expecting, a rubber lens cover that press-fits securely to the front of the lens, and a vegan leather, PU, carry bag, both of which I will be using even though I didn't know I needed them. The product is made of metal and the build is very nice. It's very sturdy and durable. It do any feel cheap. The look of it does not match with its price. I paid $24.99 for this product and it looks more expensive than that. I'd say at least $75. The quality of the wide angle is perfect for vlogging. Number 3. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera 2 Lens Kit. Meet the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR. It's designed to help you capture life's moments with incredible detail and clarity. Get ready to elevate your photography. Featuring a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, it delivers sharp and vibrant images. Experience exceptional detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. With improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection, focusing is fast and precise. It ensures your subjects are always sharp, whether you're shooting stills or video. This kit comes with two versatile lenses, an EF 18-55mm and an EF 75-300mm. You'll be ready to capture everything from wide landscapes to distant subjects. Share your creations effortlessly with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology. You can also transform it into a high-quality webcam for your online needs. Record your memories in stunning Full HD 1080p video. Relive your favorite moments with clarity and vibrant color. What we like. This camera boasts a high-resolution sensor and seamless connectivity for easy sharing. It's also capable of capturing stunning Full HD videos and can even double as a webcam. If you're a beginner photographer or vlogger looking for a reliable, user-friendly DSLR with great image quality and convenient sharing options, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Canon EOS Rebel DSLR camera is a great entry-level camera for beginners. It has a user-friendly interface and is easy to navigate, making it ideal for those new to photography. The camera produces high-quality images with vibrant colors and sharp details. Number 2. Altura Photo AP305C Flash for Canon. Experience advanced wireless lighting with its built-in 2.4 GHz system. Achieve multi-angle and multi-directional setups easily, with a transmission distance of up to 98.4 feet. Enjoy professional power in a package that's 30% lighter. It comes with everything you need, including a mini stand and protective pouch. Adapt to any lighting situation with TTL, manual, and multi-modes. This offers the versatility to achieve perfect flash exposure in complex environments. Achieve your desired lighting with a guide number of 36M 118 feet at ISO 100. It's perfect for DSLR, mirrorless, and off-camera photography. This flash is compatible with a wide range of Canon cameras. From EOS R series to Rebel models and more, it's ready for your Canon setup. What we like. Experience professional lighting control with advanced wireless capabilities in a portable package. It offers TTL, manual, and stroboscopic modes for ultimate flexibility in any lighting situation. If you're looking to elevate your photography with creative lighting setups, especially for portraits or events, without the bulk of larger flashes, this speedlight is ideal. What people say. The Canon EOS Rebel DSLR camera is a great option for beginners due to its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls, making it easy to learn and operate. It captures high-quality images with excellent detail and vibrant colors, even in challenging lighting conditions, thanks to its advanced sensor and image processing capabilities. The camera offers a range of shooting modes and creative filters, allowing users to experiment and achieve professional-looking results with ease. Number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with 18-55mm lens. Introducing the Canon EOS Rebel T7. It's designed to help you capture your world with incredible detail, thanks to its powerful 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor. Sharing your creations is easier than ever. With built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology, you can effortlessly transfer your photos and videos. Never miss a moment with its advanced 9-point AF system and AI Servo AF. It ensures your subject stays sharp, even in motion. See exactly what you're shooting through the bright optical viewfinder, offering approximately 95% viewing coverage for a clear perspective. Beyond stunning photos, it also records beautiful Full HD videos. Relive your memories with vibrant clarity. Transform your camera into a professional webcam with the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software. It's perfect for streaming and video calls. What we like. Capture incredible detail with its 24.1 MP sensor and easily share your moments with built-in Wi-Fi. Plus, its ability to function as a high-quality webcam adds incredible value. If you're a budding content creator or hobbyist photographer seeking a versatile camera that excels in both still photography and video, and offers easy connectivity, this model is a strong contender. What people say. The Canon Rebel T7 is an outstanding choice for anyone getting into photography. It's easy to use, even for beginners, yet delivers sharp, high-quality photos that look professional. Image quality is excellent in various lighting conditions, and the included kit lens is versatile enough for portraits, landscapes, and everyday shots. It also has built-in Wi-Fi, which makes transferring photos to a phone or computer quick and convenient. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is an excellent entry-level DSLR camera that offers great value, especially with the included EF 18 to 55mm and EF 75 to 300mm lenses. The 24.1 MP APS-C sensor captures sharp and vibrant images with great detail, even in low-light situations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.